How to buy USDT in Dubai. Follow these simple steps to purchase Tether instantly and securely. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy, and search for USDT. Today, we will purchase on the Tron blockchain. Enter your desired amount, choose your preferred payment method, and click Continue to Payment. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Why is Zengo the best place to buy USDT? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet, simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, three-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. Is it legal to buy USDT in Dubai? Yes, Dubai supports crypto trading under the Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, VARA, ensuring compliant and secure transactions. Is it safe to buy Tether, USDT on Zengo? Zengo's wallet offers strong security, with advanced protocols like three-factor authentication, threshold key signatures, MPC, and facial recognition to protect your USDT. Even if you lose your device, Zengo can help you recover access to your wallet and funds. Can I buy Tether on Zengo without verification? No. Zengo follows KYC AML rules, requiring ID verification for all users. What can you buy with USDT in Dubai? USDT can be used for a variety of transactions in Dubai, including online purchases, trading on cryptocurrency exchanges, or even transferring funds securely. Its stability makes it a preferred option for many digital transactions. Can I buy Tether under 18? Zengo works with regulated, compliant partners who follow AML and KYC rules. You must be 18 or older and provide a valid ID to buy USDT or any other crypto asset. How long does it take to buy Tether on Zengo? Most purchases are completed within minutes, and your USDT will be available in your Zengo wallet shortly after, depending on the payment method used. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.